Hi, this is Neelam. Thank you for tuning in to Neelam Co. Today we are cooking a very healthy recipe, yellow lentil soup. It's a great recipe for a light dinner and you can also eat it during a weight loss fast. So let's see what we need to make this lentil soup. This is half cup of yellow dal. We also call it MOONG dal. And this is half cup of orange dal. We also call it MASOOR dal. You can buy these lentils either at Indian store or online, but sometimes other grocery stores have these lentils too. To this lentil soup, I am also going to add 2 stalks of celery, half of this onion, 2 tomatoes, ginger and green chili, but you can use it according to your taste. The first step is to rinse both the lentils with plain water. Throw this water and then rinse it second time. I am rinsing the lentil for the second time and then I am going to throw out this water as well. The lentils are washed now, so I am going to add 4 cups of water in it and let it stay for half an hour. As the lentils are soaking, I will cut the vegetables. All the vegetables are chopped, so now we are ready to cook the lentil soup. And now I am going to cook the lentils in a pan. And turn on the gas and wait until the lentils start boiling. As you see, a layer of froth is forming on the top. You have the option to remove it or just let it stay like that. And this is how you remove the froth. See, slowly, and then a little bit more. The next step is to add all the vegetables in the lentil soup. That's ginger, green pepper, and finally tomatoes. And now I'm stirring it and also going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of salt. And now the final step is to cover it and the heat should be on the lower middle, maybe around 4, and let it cook until the lentil is tender. And if you see that you need more water to get the lentils tender, you can add more hot water, not the cold. It has been 15 minutes. Soup is now ready, but we will let it stay for 5 more minutes until it's all mixed really well. Yeah, it looks good. While I am waiting for the lentils to be ready, I am going to cut the cilantro too. It has been 5 minutes and soup is ready now, and I am going to turn off the gas and going to serve it. And now I am going to serve it in a big bowl. And finally I am going to garnish it. I garnished the soup with few leaves of cilantro too. I hope you enjoyed this simple and healthy recipe. See you next time with my another video. Thank you for tuning in.